Happy Tuesday, everyone. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Paige Ennis with Gibson Sotheby's International Realty out of Boston's Back Bay office. I focus on sales and rentals. Every week, I break down different neighborhoods. This week, I'm breaking down the rental market across Jamaica Plain, Midtown, North End, and the Seaport District, covering overall trends, unit by unit pricing, and key takeaways for renters and landlords. So let's get into it. First rental market we're going to cover is Jamaica Plain. Volume held completely steady at 44 closings, same as last month, but the units are renting faster, just at 28 downs, which is down from 32. Fewer units rented above asking this month, 5 compared to 7 last month, giving renters slightly more negotiating room overall. Now here's where the unit by unit breakdown tells a real story. Studios and 1 bedrooms both rose this month. 2 bedrooms dipped slightly, and 3 bedrooms saw the sharpest drop of any Jamaica Plain unit size. The bottom line for Jamaica Plain, if you're hunting for a studio, 1 bedrooms expect competition, rising prices. If you're targeting 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, you have more room to negotiate right now, so use it. If you're a renter that's looking to live in Midtown, now might be the right time for you. It is the standout rental market for the week, and it's not even close. 16 units closing, up from 12 last month, and here's the headline number. Units are renting at just 26 days on market. That's down dramatically of 50 days on market last month, and that's nearly cut in half. When we look at Midtown pricing, it dropped significantly across most unit sizes. Studios fell sharply, 1 bedroom came down as well. 2 bedrooms ticked slightly up, and 3 bedrooms dropped meaningfully. The key message for renter, Midtown is more accessible right now, and right now it has been in recent months. But the faster leasing pace tells you other renters are noticing, and you're going to need to quickly if you want to take advantage of better price. So if you are a renter that has dreamed about living in the historical North End, the North End had a strong jump in volume, 42 closing, that's up significantly from 28 last month. Units are taking slightly longer to rent at 30 days on market, that's up from 21, but at the asking activity tells a real story. 37 out of 42 units rented at asking. Landlords are still holding firm here. Above asking activity dipped slightly at 3 out of 4, but the overall picture remains clear. The North End is stable, landlord-friendly market, making it consistent demand. When we look at the North End by unit size, studios dipped slightly, 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms both rose, 3 bedrooms pulled back. Landlords in the North End, current conditions continue to support confident pricing across all unit size. The last neighborhood I'm going to cover in this rental report is the Seaport District. The Seaport District had 9 rental closings, that's down slightly from 10 last month. The units are renting a little faster at 31 days on market, last month was 34. Fewer units rented above asking, just 1 this month compared to 2 last month, and the overall median rent came down. When we look at the Seaport District unit size breakdown, cuts against the overall trend. Studios held completely flat, 1 bedrooms actually rose, 2 bedrooms jumped significantly, so the overall median drop is being driven by unit mix rather than across the board soft. A quick note here on the 3 bedrooms in the Seaport District, the figure has remained the same, extraordinary levels both months. This reflects ultra luxury segment. The Seaport market specifically should not be read as a typical rental price for the neighborhood. If you're a landlord or a renter, you might be asking yourself, what is the big picture here? The overall pattern this week, Midtown is the clearest renter opportunity, dramatically faster leasing and significant lower pricing across most unit sizes. Jamaica Plain is a mixed story that depends entirely on which unit. Check out my weekly newsletter where I do a full detailed breakdown. It drops every Friday at noon on my Substack account. The link will be in my bio. And hopefully you've enjoyed this week's rental report, and don't forget to hit the like or the subscribe button, and do follow me on all my social media channels. Next week I will do another market report, and I'll be covering South Boston, South End, Fenway, and the waterfront area. And hopefully everyone has a great week. I'll see you next Tuesday for another market report, and thank you again for checking out my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Take care, guys.